So this is SEPHINA-B Stitches Limited. We'll be conducting a very good test to know the difference between 100% cotton, mixed cotton, and the polyester fabric. So we'll start with the coloring of the fabric. What's the difference in coloring for the cotton fabric, the mixed cotton, and the polyester fabric? What's the difference in color? Well, if you check carefully, the write-up is a giveaway. At the back of each fabric, there is a noticeable difference. The cotton fabric is very pronounced in writing, as you can see, and then the mixed cotton fabric is a bit bluish to show it's faint in color, and then the third one very faint, clearly showing the difference in color when it comes to the three different types of fabric. So just like the write-up is different, the coloring or the color design of each fabric is also different. You see a slight difference showing which is 100% cotton, which is mixed cotton, as you can see here, and the difference also in the polyester fabric. While the 100% cotton is darker, the mixed cotton is a bit faint, and then the 0% cotton is very faint. So next we'll be conducting another test, which is the burn test. We're going to burn the 100% cotton and watch what happens. We can see that the fire burns slowly. 100% cotton burn slowly. And then let's try the mixed cotton. It burns faster than the 100% cotton fabric. Now if you try to compare the burn marks, we'll see that this looks totally different. The cotton fabric leaves a very fine ash. It feels fine to the fingers, yes. While the mixed cotton fabric doesn't really leave any fine ash. And the cloth looks a bit wrinkled. Yes. So that's a clear difference. But let's try the 0% cotton to see what happens. It burns faster than the mixed cotton fabric. And you see how it is. Let's stretch that a bit. So it burns like plastic. If you notice, that's a clear difference between the two. You can also notice the mixed colored fabric. It has a bit of ash at the side. You can't find that on the 0% fabric. So if you see a building on fire and you're wearing 0% cotton, run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube.